Hello friends, myself Ajay Eknath Chaudhary and I have completed my B in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 13th January 2022 and today's topic is recursion in Java. So, introduction of recursion. First, we have to see that in this recursion we have to see the recursion is an core concept of programming language. We will explain the characteristics of recursion function and show how the use of recursion for solving various problem in Java. Second one, understand of recursion. First one, definition. In Java, the function call mechanism supports the possibility of having a method call itself. This functionality is known as recursion. Stop condition. In that there is stop condition. The function returns a value when a certain condition is satisfied without further recursive call. The recursive call is the function calls itself with an input which is step closer to the stop condition. Each recursive call will added a new frames to the stack memory of the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. So if you don't pay attention to have deep your cursive long out of memory exception may occur. The potential problem can be averted by leveraging tail recursion optimization. Now, what is tail recursion versus head recursion? So, we refer to a recursive function as a tail recursion when the recursion call is the last thing that function execute. Otherwise, it's known as a head recursion. So, recursion versus iteration. Recursion can help to simplify the implementation of some complicated problem by making the code clear and more readable. But as we are already seen, the recursive approach often require more memory as the stack memory required increases with each recursive call. Has an alternative. If you can solve a problem with recursive, we can also solve it by iteration. Halting. Next one is halting condition. Just a loop can run into the problem of infinity looping. Recursive function can run into the problem of infinite recursion. Infinite recursion is when the function never stops calling itself. Every recursive function should have a halting condition, which is the condition the function stop calling itself in the data. The halting condition is when parameter k becomes 0 and recursion is used instead of for looping the condition. Instead of using for loop, it consists of examples such as loop I in bracket 0. It consists of for loop, and loop j is equal to in bracket I comma j. It condition of for loop of j condition. So it is the whole scenario of recursion we have seen now. Thank you for watching my video.